Everyone, today I wanted to share a quick video about how I paint my leather products. I'll be painting one of my handmade masks. I prefer using a water-based acrylic paint. I'm using chalk paint to get a matte finish, but glossy finish works just as well. You'll also need a paintbrush. I find having two different sizes is helpful for getting into the details of the piece. Depending on how large or small your project is, you want to pick appropriately sized brushes. First, using your larger brush, get the piece wet. You're just looking to make the painting surface damp, not soak it. Next, you'll be applying your first coat. With a wet brush, grab a small amount of paint and smooth it on. Take your time getting a thin but even coating, switching to the smaller brushes when you need to. It's okay that the paint isn't completely covering the leather. Multiple thin layers is the best way to achieve a clean end result. I ended up putting 5 layers on this mask. Be patient, let the paint dry between coats, and trust the process. Here's the end result. If you'd like to make a mask like this, follow the link in the description. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, life's better with leather.